Okay, so good to have you guys in this video. I want to show you how you can run Python files in the command line or in the terminal. Okay, so for Windows, I can either run them in the command prompt or if I downloaded Git Bash. So for me, I'm going to use what we call the Git Bash terminal. The Git Bash. Okay, so this is free. You can actually download it and you can start using it. I just like the look of it, so that's why I'm using it. I could have used the command terminal. Okay, so you can either be on the Mac or on Windows. It's the same thing. Okay, so how do I run this experiment.py in this terminal? So first I have to locate this file. So this file is located on my desktop and then is in a directory or a folder called Space Invader. So that's what I have to do. So right now cd, it simply means change directory. It's a command that we use on the command line, cd desktop. So first I want to go to my desktop, and as you can see now, this tells me that I'm on my desktop. Okay, so let me try and zoom this out so that you guys can see. All right, so right now I'm on my desktop, and then the name of the folder that is on my desktop is called Space Invader, so I have to change to that directory. So change directory, that's what cd means. And then if your folder, the name of your folder has a space, you have to put quotation marks. So I'm going to say space, space, and then Space Invader, like this. You put it in quotes. If it was just one single name, there's no need for you to put quotation marks. Right, when I press enter, you will see down here it says desktop and then / Space Invader. Now I'm in that directory. Now I want to run this experiment.py. Right, so this experiment.py will print my name. As you guys can see, it says print Setson. So I want to see if it's going to print Setson on this command line. Right, so the way I run it is I write Python and then space and then the name of the file that I want to run, experiment.py. Do not forget the file extension. All right, once you press enter, you will see it runs and then it terminates. Okay, so it runs and then print Setson and then terminates. Right, let's say I wanted to print something else here. Print I am learning Python, just like this. Save this. If I go back to my terminal, use an up arrow to locate the last command that you used. This is Python experiment.py. If I press enter, you will see it writes Setson, I'm learning Python, and then it exterminates. Okay, so this is how you run your Python file in the command line or in the terminal. All right, so I'm teaching you this because in our next lesson we're going to learn about the input function. So when you are in Sublime Text, terminal here in Sublime Text might not work properly, so we need to use the command line when we're running our file. All right, so I hope to see you in our next lesson. Actually get comfortable using the command line, entering these commands and you know, stuff like that. So if I want to exit this, I'll just type exit, press enter, and then boom, it goes. All right, so see you in our next lesson. For now, I'm out. Bye-bye.